A massive explosion near the iconic Red Fort in the heart of the national capital, New Delhi, on Monday has left at least a dozen people dead and several others injured, sending shockwaves across Delhi and prompting authorities to declare a citywide high alert. According to early reports, the blast occurred around 6:30 p.m. near the Lal Killa metro station, not far from the Red Fort complex, one of India's most prominent tourist historical landmarks. Eyewitnesses described scenes of chaos and panic as a car burst into flames following a deafening explosion that shook the surrounding area. Firefighters and rescue teams rushed to the site moments after the incident. Officials from the Delhi Fire Service confirmed that 7 fire tenders were deployed to douse the flames and prevent the blaze from spreading to nearby vehicles and shops. The intensity of this explosion reportedly caused damage to multiple cars parked in the vicinity. Police sources stated that the nature and origin of the blast are still under investigation. While the cause has not yet been officially confirmed, preliminary assessments have not ruled out the possibility of a terrorist attack. A team from the Delhi Police Special Cell and forensic experts has been deployed to collect evidence and assess the extent of the damage. Senior police officials, including members of the National Security Guard, NSG, and the Intelligence Bureau, have been briefed and are monitoring the situation closely. The Delhi Police Commissioner has directed enhanced security measures across the city, particularly around metro stations, crowded public places, and government installations. The explosion has also led to temporary traffic restrictions and suspension of metro services on certain sections of the Red Line to facilitate emergency operations. Local authorities have appealed to citizens to avoid the area and refrain from sharing unverified information on social media. Hospitals in central and north Delhi have been placed on standby and medical teams are attending to the injured. Efforts are underway to identify the victims while forensic experts are analyzing debris from the car to determine the type of explosive used. A senior government official stated that the Union Ministry of Home Affairs has sought a detailed report from the Delhi police and has offered all necessary assistance for the investigation. As the situation develops, officials have assured the public that strict action will be taken once the cause is established. The incident marks one of the most serious security breaches in recent years near the Red Fort, a site that remains under tight surveillance due to its historical and national importance. Further details are awaited as the investigation continues.
या मुझे डर अपने भाई का हो गया। यहाँ पे मेरा भाई यही तो खड़ा होना है। हम तो इसी में काम करते हैं।